Hi, so we've talked about why you should classify your data. Now I want to tell you what actually happens and how your data is classified. So I will take an Excel file from you from whatever source systems you have. If they're separate, that's fine. We can merge them all together. If it's different countries, we can put those all together. Me, I'll standardize the columns so that if there are separate files, each column will be called the same thing so that it all matches up. I'll put that all together. I'll then do vendor normalisation, which I'll talk about in another video. And then I will start the process of classifying the data. Now, you may have a taxonomy already that you use, such as the UNSPSC, or you may have an in-house taxonomy, or I can build one for you. Totally up to you. I'm really flexible on that. It's whatever works best for your business. The results that you get need to fit your business. So we'll make sure that the taxonomy covers all that stuff. Then I just go through a process, and there's no jiggery pokery or AI or algorithms. It is me and my fingers and a keyboard and some nifty software that I use to help me do it a little bit quicker in terms of the layout of the data and things. And all I do is go through and look for keywords, familiar company names. I have worked in different languages as well, so I can recognise words that might mean something in different languages. I will use all the tricks that I've learned over the years to classify it as much as I can with quick wins, as I call them. And then I will have to go through and trawl the rest, and that will be lots of Google searching. And honestly, you would be amazed at the number of companies that don't tell you what they do on their website. That's one of my bugbears anyway. So I'll go through and I'll find that information, and we'll make sure that you have the most accurate data set that you can possibly have. And that is pretty much it, and that can take weeks. It really depends on the quality of the data. If it's just a supplier name, it can be really tricky. With an invoice description or a PO description, then it can be quite helpful, but it can also be a bigger file, so it can take longer. So I would say each file is different, and no two files are ever the same, but I have pretty much seen most of the types of data that you can possibly see over my many years of classifying. So if that's something that you would like help with, why not get in touch? It's Susan at classificationguru.com.